Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to open menu and go for your sound recorder. After that, if you want to start, just click on this red button, accept permissions, and as you can see right now, smartphone starts recording sounds. And let's finish and we are going to check the quality of the record. So as you can see, this function is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.